Okay, we're live.
Good morning, everybody. It's Councillor Amanda Jenner here, Chair of Health and Social Care Parish Scrutiny Committee. It's a very short agenda for anyone who's joining from the public. We have one item, which is just to elect a vice chair. Do we need to give apologies as well, Wyn?
Yes, Chair, we should, and the apologies are from County Councillors Gareth Radcliffe, Glyn Preston, Josie Ewing potentially in terms of IT issues, Jonathan Wilkinson and Chris Walsh, and also from Cabinet members Sian Cox and James Gibson-Watt, and also finally from Lynn Hamilton, Chair of the Governance and Audit Committee, who are joining us today for the briefing.
Okay, thank you very much. And we're here to nominate vice chair, but my understanding is that there have been no nominations for vice chair. Is that still the case, Wyn?
That's correct, Chair.
Yep. So I'm going to. I've taken some advice from a couple of colleagues, including the chair of full council, and I've decided I am going to park this agenda item for at least a couple of months, because we've got lots of new members on the committee, people that have been previous councillors but haven't been on this committee, and new councillors that are brand new councillors to Powys. So I think it would be fair just to give you all a couple of months to go through the full set of member development that's got going on, the briefings we've got going on, and find sort of what your interests are, and whether you think that being vice chair of this committee is something that you would like to pursue. So on that note, we are not going to discuss this. I'm not going to start appointing people to put their names forward and go for a vote. I don't think that would be fair. And yeah, that is it on that item. So what happens now, Wyn? Do we close the public meeting and go to the private briefing session for new members and
yes,
members
please.
of audit?
Yes, please. If you close the meeting, I'll stop the recording at this point.
Okay, so thank you to anyone who's watched this. I am sure it's been a complete waste of your time joining, but that's the end of this meeting.